Good morning, this is Rich, and the market's called firmer here at the start this morning. We did see Dees corn make a new contract high overnight, traded up to as high as 742 3/4. November soybeans also made a new high for the move as well and are challenging the $14 mark at the present time. The wheat market continues to be firm, led of course by the Minneapolis wheat market. The outside markets this morning, the dollar trading slightly lower, crude oil up about 80 cents a barrel, gold taking a bit of a break, down $12 an ounce, and we haven't seen the stocks open yet. Would expect not a big opening there. We did see December corn close overnight at 4 1/4 cents higher, 738 3/4. March corn up 3 1/4 at 750 1/4. November soybeans up 9 at 1394 1/4. January beans up 8 1/4 cents at 1403 1/2. And September Chicago wheat up 8 3/4 at 744 1/4. Kansas City SEP up 2 3/4 at 821 3/4. Minneapolis SEP up 10 3/4 at 954. The Dees cotton down 0.45 at 106 even. The crop ratings yesterday took another big hit. The corn dropped 3 points in the good to excellent rating, down to 57%. 17% poor to very poor, that was up 2 points. As far as progress goes, 73% of the corn in the dough stage, and that's right on average. Soybeans, 59% rated good to excellent, that was down 2 points. 14% poor to very poor, that was up a point. 83% of the U.S. beans setting pods, that's 5 points below normal for this time of the year. And spring wheat, 62% good to excellent, that was down 4 points. 10% poor to very poor, up 2 points there. The crop's still way behind, 29% harvested compared to 56% on average. Also another comment on the corn crop, Illinois rated just 42% good to excellent now. That was down 8 points last week. Missouri dropped 6 points, Minnesota 5 points, and Iowa 4 points in their rating last week. So big drops in those numbers. Yesterday was day one of the Pro Farmer Crop Tour. The Ohio corn yield they found was 156. That's about 6% below last year. Soybean yield or pod count in Ohio actually up from last year at 1253 versus 1201 a year ago. South Dakota corn yield at 141.1 compares to 143.6 a year ago. That is the same yield, 141, as what USDA had in its August report. As far as soybean pod counts, 1,107 pods, that's down 14% from a year ago. We're looking for a firmer open this morning, called 4 to 5 higher corn. Beans and wheat called 8 to 9 cents higher, but certainly the RSI on both corn and soybeans pushing up into the low to mid 60s. This market probably approaching overbought, and we'll probably see some correction here before the week is over. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later today.